Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Anil Vanamali. In this video, I'll tell you how to add WordPress post to the WordPress website menu. Example, here I would like to add WordPress tips and Windows tips as a menu to my website. Okay, without wasting much time, let's get started. Step 1, go to WordPress dashboard, and step 2, select all posts from the WordPress dashboard. Here if you see, I have several posts. Okay, but I would like to categorize these posts. I did not categorize these posts. All these are uncategorized. Okay, I would like to categorize these posts first. So step 3, categorize your post. For that, go to post again and just click on categories. Here just create a category name. I'm just creating Windows tips and add new category. I would like to display WordPress tips also, right? Type WordPress tips and click on add new category. Okay, now categories have been created successfully. Add post to the category. For that, go to all posts again. I would like to add this to WordPress category. Just go down and select WordPress tips. It just updated. Okay, and another post I would like to make it into Windows tips. Select this and you just quick edit from the categories list. Select Windows tips and just click on update. Okay, now posts have been added to the category successfully. Now the step 5 is display these posts in the WordPress menu. For that, go to appearance from the WordPress dashboard and go to appearance from the WordPress dashboard and just click on menus. And from the menu, go to categories, and here I would like to display Windows tips and WordPress tips. Just type WordPress. Select it and just click on add to menu. Yes, WordPress tips has been added. And I would like to display Windows tips as well. Just type Windows tips in the category. Select it and just click on add to menu. Now Windows tips also added successfully. So now finally just click on save menu. Okay, the changes have been successfully changed. Now go to WordPress dashboard. WordPress website, and it just click on refresh your website. Here if you see, WordPress tips and Windows tips have been added as a menu. You just click on it for the confirmation. Yeah, we are able to see our WordPress post. So, thanks for watching. If this video is useful, please share it with your friends and stay tuned to my channel to get latest updates. Thank you.